Welcome back to my channel Decode with me. Everywhere it's Labubu trend in the world and everyone carrying a cute creepy doll with them. So in these video we talk about what is Labubu? How much does it cost? How did it suddenly become so popular? Let's find answers to all these questions in this video. Actually Labubu is a doll with a round face, sharp teeth, big eyes, and an odd scary yet cute appearance. It looks like a little girl doll. This doll is designed following the kimokawaii culture where kimokawaii means creepy cute. There are many varieties of Labubu dolls, each with different names and designs. Labubu was created by the artist Kazing Lung and first introduced in 2015 under the company How To Work, as part of the Monsters series. However, Labubu's real craze started after 2019, when it collaborated with the Chinese brand Pop Mart. The craze exploded when K-pop singer Lisa from South Korea posted a photo with Labubu on social media. Her fans saw it and began buying the doll. Later, many other celebrities started sharing photos with Labubu at fashion shows. Hollywood singer Rihanna were seen with Labubu, carrying it alongside their handbags in photos they posted on social media. According to news reports, Gen Z and young celebrities now treat Labubu as a fashion accessory. The sudden rise in popularity is mainly due to Pop Mart's unique marketing strategy. They use a blind box concept, meaning the doll comes in a sealed box, and you don't know which Labubu you'll get until you open it. This mystery factor made people post unboxing videos and photos on social media, fueling the craze. Let's see this video how the old lady is happy and crying after looking the Labubu doll.
Me diga que son muñecos. A ver, que me los como. Ayúdame a abrirla. No me lo puedo creer. Ay, que no me lo puedo creer. Quitármelo de aquí. Ay, que no me lo puedo creer, este niño. Ay, que no me lo puedo creer.
Pero no llores. Mira qué gracioso por detrás, un dragón.
Ay, qué bonito es. Por detrás tiene como una sala. Ay, qué chulo, Dios mío. Yo creí que era chicanino.
Pop Mart cleverly used two psychological factors. Before knowing this, if you are new to this channel, do not forget to like and subscribe. So the two factors are in which the first one is herd mentality, where people feel like buying something just because everyone else is buying it. And the second one is gambler's mentality, where the excitement of thinking, what if I get a different or rare one this time? Studies show these two mentalities are most common in Gen Z and millennials. Because of this strategy, Pop Mart earned $165 million in net profit in 2013 itself. The price of Labubu dolls ranges from $15 to $959. In India, they are priced around 800 Indian rupees up to 15,000 and more depending on size and demand. Recently, a 4-foot Labubu was sold at an auction in China for 1.25 crore, around $150,000. Compared to last year, Labubu sales increased by 350% in the first half of 2025. However, despite its massive craze, Russia and Iraq banned Labubu, stating that its scary appearance could negatively affect children's mental health. So in the end, it's surprising how a single doll has brought such massive profits worldwide.